The world of cryptocurrency can feel like stepping into a new frontier. Decentralization, blockchain technology, and financial sovereignty are exciting. But this new landscape also comes with uncertainty. How do you know who to trust? Trust is the bedrock of any financial system, and crypto is no different. This guide will explore the importance of trust in the crypto space and practical tips for establishing yourself as a reliable affiliate marketer. By embracing transparency, education, and integrity, you can build a sustainable business while contributing to a more trustworthy and secure crypto future for everyone. The decentralized nature of crypto, while a strength, also presents challenges to building trust. Without central authorities, it can be difficult to verify information and assess the legitimacy of projects. Scams and fraudulent schemes are an unfortunate reality in the crypto space. Stories of rug pulls erode trust and deter newcomers. Affiliates must thoroughly research and vet any project they promote. New cryptocurrencies and platforms emerge constantly, making it difficult to stay informed. Affiliates must provide clear, concise, and accurate information to their audience. The pseudonymous nature of many crypto users can contribute to a lack of accountability. Affiliates must partner only with transparent and reputable projects and platforms. Building trust as a crypto affiliate requires a multifaceted approach that focuses on transparency, education, and a genuine commitment to your audience's best interests. Here are some practical steps you can take. 1. Transparency is key. Be upfront about your affiliate relationships. Disclose any financial incentives you receive for promoting specific projects. This transparency demonstrates honesty and helps your audience make informed decisions. 2. Choose quality over quantity. Partner with reputable projects and platforms that align with your values and have a proven track record. Thoroughly research their team, technology, and community sentiment before promoting them. 3. Become a source of education. Provide valuable content that educates your audience about cryptocurrencies, blockchain technology, and the risks and rewards involved. Share your knowledge freely, and empower your audience to make informed decisions. 4. Engage authentically. Build a strong online presence and engage with your audience genuinely. Respond to comments and questions, participate in relevant forums, and foster a sense of community. Section 4. Leading with integrity, transparency, and disclosure. Best practices. Transparency is paramount in the crypto affiliate marketing world. To build authentic trust with your audience, you must be upfront about your affiliations and any financial benefits you receive. Here are some best practices for transparency and disclosure. First, clear and concise disclosures. Always disclose your affiliate relationships clearly and concisely. Use unambiguous language that your audience can easily understand. State that you may receive compensation for promoting certain products or services. Second, prominent placement. Ensure your disclosures are prominently displayed on your website, blog posts, social media profiles, and any other marketing materials. Don't bury them in the fine print or make them difficult to find. Third, timing is crucial. Disclose your affiliate relationships up front, before you start promoting any specific products or services. Don't wait until after someone has clicked on your affiliate link to mention that you may earn a commission. And finally, honesty is the best policy. Be honest about your experiences with the products or services you promote. Don't exaggerate their benefits or downplay their risks. Authenticity will build trust with your audience. Section 5. Case studies in success. Learning from the best. Examining successful crypto affiliates reveals the power of trust and transparency in action. These individuals and companies have built strong reputations by consistently prioritizing their audience's best interests and adhering to ethical practices. Case Study 1. Andreas Antonopoulos. A renowned Bitcoin educator and author, Antonopoulos is known for his unbiased and informative content. He rarely engages in direct affiliate marketing, focusing instead on providing valuable education and insights. This approach has earned him the trust and respect of the crypto community. Case Study 2. Coin Bureau. This popular YouTube channel provides in-depth analysis and reviews of cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects. They are transparent about their affiliate partnerships, clearly disclosing them in their videos and descriptions. Their commitment to unbiased reviews and educational content has helped them amass a large and dedicated following. Section 6. Reaping the rewards, the long-term value of trust in crypto. Building trust as a crypto affiliate marketer is not just about ethical responsibility, it's a smart business strategy. While it may take time and effort, the long-term rewards of establishing a trustworthy reputation far outweigh the short-term gains of quick profits. First, sustainable growth. Trust fosters loyalty. When your audience trusts your recommendations, they are more likely to become repeat customers and recommend you to others, leading to sustainable business growth. Second, enhanced credibility. A reputation for honesty and transparency enhances your credibility within the crypto community. This can open doors to partnerships, collaborations, and opportunities that would not be available otherwise. Third, reduced risk. By promoting reputable projects and providing accurate information, you minimize the risk of your audience falling victim to scams or making poor investment decisions. This protects both your reputation and your affiliate relationships. And fourth, positive impact. By upholding ethical standards and promoting responsible crypto adoption, you contribute to the long-term health and sustainability of the crypto ecosystem as a whole.